and welcome to Jubilee RV here on a somewhat sunny day in Kamloops, British Columbia. I'm Angela. Today I would like to show you this fairly rare 2002 Mercedes-Benz SL500. It is the Silver Arrow Edition. There were only 1,450 of these produced, and this is one of them. Absolutely beautiful car in the silver. It does have the xenon headlights, 18-inch aluminum wheels, beautiful lines. Interior, you have the two-tone Napa leather, two very comfortable seats. You and your wife can take great road trips in this fantastic vehicle. As you saw, the top goes down very easily. It is a fully lined convertible top, and it also does come with a hardtop. So when it gets a little chillier, you do have that option if you so choose. And of course, you have the wind guard so that your hair doesn't get totally messed up on date nights. Both passengers and driver's side seats are heated. They are both adjustable, power adjustable. They have the 8-way power adjusting with programmable settings, heated mirrors. It does have the Silver Arrow sill decal here. You can't tell because it's bright outside, but that does light up when it's darker. Looks very nice. Gorgeous interior, Bose stereo system, 6-speaker stereo system, so you will have no problem hearing your music when you're going down the road. I have had the privilege of driving this car. It is definitely a very fun car to drive. It is a 5-liter V8 engine, 302 horsepower. No problem getting past all the traffic. I will not pay for your speeding tickets, so if you do choose to buy this, be careful. Gorgeous car. Definitely not going to see very many of these out on the road. If you'd like to come down and take a look at it, I am here. You can give me a call to set up an appointment at 250-372-0600. I am at extension 106. Again, my name is Angela. Look forward to meeting you and taking you for a drive.